I'm Lindsay. I'm a professional face painter. My job is to bring more fun to people's days. From kids' birthday parties to slightly more grown-up kids' birthday parties to downright terrifying haunted houses.
Isn't our job the best?
Fidgeting kids, demanding preteens, festering zombies. And even though sometimes I think I'm just about to snap, I actually like what I do. But I like it a lot less when the face paint I rely on lets me down. I can't paint the tiger on a little Timmy's face if my paint turns into goop on the way to his party. And I can't paint 25 kids if I need to spend 5 full minutes trying to get the scrap to actually go on a pic. Instead of watered down like an open bar cocktail.
Aloha!
And probably the biggest thing, if my cakes don't last as long as they should, that's money out of my pocket. Hey! Look, if I want to be the best face painter I can be, I need the best paint. And maybe subjects who won't fidget like they've got fire ants in their pull-up pants. That's why I use Craze FX. Craze FX is a high-pigmentation, professional-grade, hypoallergenic face paint. The wax-based formula activates with water for smooth, solid coverage that flexes with the skin, so it can last all day without fading or cracking. Which makes one of us. It's equally great for blending, base work, line work, and layering.
Like, wow!
With the creamy consistency and the variety of vibrant colors and split cakes, Craze stays put when it should and removes easily with just soap and water. Plus, the square container makes Craze cakes super easy to stack, pack, and carry.
Yay!
And Craze split cakes are domed, so I get more paint from them without having to dig my brush into the corners. If only real cake worked that way too. Look, having the very best paint is the only way I can do my very best work. And I'm guessing it's the same for you. So next time you buy, try Craze FX. Face paints made for the professional.